Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to compare two very popular shipping software platforms. These are ShipStation and Ship. Many online sellers use these tools to manage shipping, save money and make their delivery process faster. But the big question is which one is better for your business? That's what we will explore in this video. But before we go deeper, I want to remind you quickly in the description of this video I added links where you can check the latest features, updated prices and official deals for ShipStation and the Shippo. So always check the description after watching the video because shipping software updates all the time and a deal can change this later. Now let's start with ShipStation. ShipStation is very popular with online sellers, especially medium to large businesses. It supports many platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, eBay and Etsy. Now this means you can manage all your order in just one place. ShipStation also gives discounted rate for USPS, UPS, FedEx and the DHL. Another strong feature is the automation. For example, you can automatically assign carriers, print label and send tracking emails. This saves a lot of time if you have many orders. ShipStation also has reporting so you can track cost, delivery time and performance. But one thing to note is that ShipStation has a monthly subscription which can be higher for small businesses. Now let's talk about Shippo. Shippo is simpler and more affordable, especially for smaller businesses. You pay only for shipping labels you create and there is no high monthly cost. Shippo also supports USPS, UPS, FedEx and the DHL and other carriers. So it is very easy to use with a simple dashboard to create labels, track progress and manage orders. Shippo is good for businesses that do not need complex automation or advanced reporting, but just want fast and cheap shipping. So which one is better in this time? If you have a big business with many orders and want automation, reporting and multi-carrier support, then ShipStation is very strong. But if you are a small business or a medium business or just starting, then Shippo is simple, easy and cost effective. Many people choose based on the size of their business and complexity of their shipping needs. So in short, ShipStation is best for automation and larger business and Shippo is best for simplicity, affordability and small to medium businesses. So that was the video for today. Don't forget to check the description for official links, updated feature and the latest deal for both platforms. This will help you to pick the right shipping software for you. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.